Are you looking for the best wireless meat thermometers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wireless meat thermometers that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Thermopro TP20 Wireless Digital Food Meat Dual Probe Thermometer. Cook with prowess without messing your meat with Thermopro TP20 Dual Probe Thermometer. It's a handy gadget for chefs due to its functionality and ability to deliver highly accurate readings. Its wireless design gives it hands-free operation. Also, the connectivity allows real-time monitoring, hence no room for errors. Moreover, to keep user enjoying great control, the gadget has a large screen with big digits. The automatic pairing is fantastic and eliminates the need for synchronizing each time. Also, the probes have a secure connection to the console, hence simple to use even for new users. To make sure effectiveness in use, the device has 9 types of meat settings and certified by USDA. Its design ensures it can be used in ovens, grills, barbecues, and smokers. With long cords, they ensure you keep away from the hot surfaces. Number 4. NutriChef Smart Bluetooth Barbecue Grill Dual Probe Thermometer. NutriChef Wireless Barbecue Dual Probe Bluetooth Thermometer is all the chefs want. It's an upgraded device to suit your cooking needs without complications. The construction is superb since probes are stainless steel made. They can put up with high temperatures as well as resistance to corrosion. In fact, they can tolerate heat up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit while steel wire can handle 712 degrees F in total. The device has 6 probes ideal for checking various food. To maximize the performance, this thermometer has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. This means cooking while attending other works is possible without compromising your cooking food. Due to the sensitive probes, the device delivers instant results display. With a connection range of 100 feet, it is a fabulous choice for indoor and outdoor cooking. Above all, the mobile app eases the whole operation. It has a timer and alarm that strings when time elapses. Number 3. RITA TM08 Wireless Remote Cooking Food Barbecue Digital Grill Thermometer. When grilling is part of your culture, perfecting it is the only option. Especially, cooking the meat adequately ensures everyone is safe from foodborne infections. The RITA TM08 is an excellent option to have in your grilling area. It offers a chance to enjoy the most accurate temperature monitoring. Unlike the other devices available, this has dual probes, which are highly sensitive and accurate. The good thing is preset cooking settings for 9 types of meat. Forget about the devices that only probe the temperature. With this, it has a timer which helps in ensuring optimum cooking time. The sleek and large display is user-friendly whether during the day or nights. Moreover, the bright screen is ideal for use under low light conditions. Provided with batteries and storage pouch, it is simple to store your device safely. It has a maximum temperature range of 32 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit and components are heat resistant. Number 2. Inkford IBT4XS Wireless Grill Digital Thermometer, 4 probes. Grilling and barbecuing has never been easy like when having an accurate thermometer. The Inkford Digital Wireless Thermometer is a great device for indoor and outdoor cooking. It's sleek and compact with 4 probes for keeping the user well informed about the cooking food. Coupling with Bluetooth connectivity, it lets you monitor temperatures while at a range of 150 feet. Compatible with Android and iOS smartphones, everyone can cook while taking other chores. The device display is great and simple to read day and night. With LCD screen, it has large digits that are readable while several feet away. Unlike the other devices with disposable batteries, this has a rechargeable version. Also, to make charging easy, it has USB connection port. A fully charged battery lasts over 60 hours, meaning no frequent recharging and is environmentally friendly. It combines app, Bluetooth and alarm to make your cooking exceptional. Number 1. Thermopro TP22 Dual Probes Digital Wireless Food Thermometer. Get the accurate temperature readings without waiting for centuries. The real solution is Thermopro TP22 dual probe food thermometer. This device is ideal for cooking various foods. Whether meat or other food, it provides accurate cooking temperatures. The dual probes are amazing and highly sensitive to offer accurate temperatures. Additionally, they make it possible to monitor 2 meals together, hence easing the cooking process. When in the kitchen, the device offers up to 9 preset meals. You don't have to keep referring to books about ideal cooking temperatures. In fact, with USDA recommendation, it guarantees perfect cooking and mouthwatering meals. Not only the device probes the temperatures, but it has a cooking timer to ensure ideal cooking. Utilization is simple as no synchronization is needed.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.